In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in Zoho CRM. Logging calls in Zoho CRM is a simple yet powerful way to keep track of interactions with your contacts, ensuring you have a well-documented history of communications. This process can enhance your client management and relationship-building efforts, all stored conveniently in one place. So let's walk through each step and make sure you're comfortable with the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Zoho CRM account. Go ahead and navigate to the home page of the platform. This is where all your Zoho CRM operations begin. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to find the Contacts tab. Clicking on this will allow you to access a comprehensive list of all your contacts stored within Zoho CRM. It's essentially your digital Rolodex, housing the details and histories of everyone you're doing business with. With the Contacts tab open, you'll want to select the contact for whom you wish to log a phone call. Browsing through your list, you might see various names and organizations you've interacted with. Simply choose the contact that corresponds with your phone call. This step is crucial since any logs or entries you make will be associated with this selected individual or company. After selecting the appropriate contact, direct your attention to the Call button. It's often represented by a telephone icon. By clicking this button, you're taking the initial step to document your call. Now, this doesn't initiate a phone call, but opens up a new window or section pertaining to calls. In this area, you can log the detail of your phone conversation. Note the call duration, discussion points, any follow-up actions needed, and any notable outcomes from your conversation. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks and allows anyone else accessing this contact's record to be fully up to speed. As you input this information, take the opportunity to be as detailed as possible. Include specifics like the date and time of the call. If there were any promises made or actions pledged, jot them down too. This type of meticulous logging within Zoho CRM can benefit not only you but your entire team. Remember, keeping thorough records of your communications is vital for seamless customer interactions, and logging a call in Zoho CRM helps achieve just that. This completes our walkthrough for logging a phone call within Zoho CRM. Practicing this routinely can significantly boost your efficiency and effectiveness in managing client relationships. Keep this workflow in mind and you'll be mastering your customer communication strategy in no time, riding smoothly along your sales and support journeys. Thanks for joining me today, and happy logging.